Meet the animals. Giraffe.
Hi, I am Giraffe. Giraffe are like the skyscrapers of the animal kingdom. We are the tallest land animals, with male giraffe reaching up to 18 feet, while female giraffe growing up to 14 feet. Our neck alone can be around 6 feet. We belong to a mammal class. We are warm-blooded. Our bodies are covered in hair. And mama giraffe produce milk. Female giraffe are amazing moms. They carry their babies in their tummies for about 15 months. That's more than a whole year. And they usually give birth to one baby called calf. What do we eat? Any guesses? That's right! We are herbivores! So we only eat plants. We love munching on leaves, fruits, and flowers from the tree and bushes. Being herbivores means our diet is full of tasty plant goodies. Giraffe are native to Africa. Our habitat primarily in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. We have amazing abilities to help us thrive in our home or habitat in the wild. First, we have a super-powered circulatory system. Because our necks are so long, we need to pump blood all the way to our brain. So we have a giant heart weighing about 25 pounds. Plus, we have a tight skin around our legs to stop the blood from pooling. How awesome is that? Check this out! Our funky coat patterns aren't just for looks. The spots help us to stay cool by releasing heat through the spaces between the patches. It's like having a natural air conditioning system built right into our skin. Despite our long legs and wobbly-looking walk, we giraffe can zoom like race cars. We can run up to 56 km per hour over a short distance. Oh, gotta go now. Bye for now.
Time for fun facts! Giraffe have a super cool talent. They can clean their own ears with their tongues. Their tongues are like magic wands, stretching out to an amazing 18 to 20 inches long. These incredible tongues are super flexible and can reach right inside their ears to keep them clean. It's like having a built-in ear cleaner. Plus, their tongues are tough and covered in thick, gooey saliva to protect them from the thorny acacia trees they love to munch on. Talk about a tongue-tastic talent! Thank you for watching. See you